All right, so today I'm reviewing this Comfort Zone portable heater, electric heater. Works really well. We actually at first had this in our camper. It was a 30-foot long camper and it heated the camper really well. Right now I've got it in maybe a 12 by 12 room. Right now I'm in an attic, so it gets pretty cold, but it heats up. I turn it on in like a matter of minutes, a few minutes, it heats up the room pretty quickly. The one thing you want to worry about is not leaving it on the whole time, because if you do leave it on accidentally when you fall asleep, it gets really hot. So just a tip there. It does have a couple of cool features. First, on this left hand side is the thermostat, so you can set it from, if you want it not as warm, to all the way high is the hot setting. Same thing with off, you can go low or high. So we'll go to low and you'll hear it turn on, and then after a couple of minutes this whole thing glows up orange because it heats up the coils and everything inside there. So that's low right now, and then we'll flip it to high, so you can hear it kick on a little bit more. It's not much louder on high versus low. I typically always go on high when I use it, just because I want to just get it heated up as fast as possible. But you can tell it's starting to heat up, turn orange, and I can feel it. But I'm sitting maybe a couple feet away. I'm already starting to feel this. It's getting pretty warm, and it'll continue to do that until it reaches the high temperature, and then it'll on high, I'm pretty sure it stays on constantly. But if I turn this thermostat, you hear it turn off. So there is a thermostat, so you'll hear it kind of click on, click off. So you'll hear it. You can control the temperature if you want to and have it turn off at a certain setting. I probably should use that more often than I do. Another cool feature is it has like a tip over safety feature. So if it tips over, you have an indicator light that's telling you it's on. And if it falls over, you'll watch it turn off. It stays lit up. You can hear the machine turned off. That's because there's a little pedal on the bottom, and if you hear it, it turns on and then it turns back off. So there's a little safety feature, so it can't, if it falls over, the machine is supposed to not keep running. So turn that off. Like I said, it heats up very quickly, very easily. You're definitely gonna want this soon, since we're gonna be getting the winter time soon. It's got I think like a 4-foot long cord. So it's a pretty standard size cord on it. Not overly long, but if you need anything longer than that, just obviously get an extension cord. And this light will stay on if it's plugged in. So even if the machine is off, the indicator light is on, telling you it is plugged in. And then if you bring it up or if it tips over, it turns off. So really cool. Definitely recommend getting this for, like I said, an attic. If you're in a cold area, spot you want to, in an office, it's a good thing to have.